Today we're going to talk about checking your WLAN settings prior to doing any replacement or service work on a Siemens Ysio room. This one is regarding the portable detector. So where you check and verify your WLAN settings is in the service platform here. So you go to Tune-Up. Under Tune-Up there's a component adjustment right up here section. You click on Detector. It takes a few seconds to load up here. Now that's loaded it up, you either have logical attachment or WLAN settings. So in this segment we're going to talk about WLAN settings. So you highlight WLAN settings, you hit select. So it's always good to come in here and note what your current configuration is. Either take a snapshot with your phone, write them down, whichever you like to do. Because a lot of the times when you either do a replacement on a portable detector or a docking station, you'll end up with it defaulting to a different country, a different zone. So it's always good to record these things, and also these channels in the standard will change when you change the country of origin. So this is just a good note that always take note of this prior to either replacing your detector or calibrating it or things like that, just in case something happens. You can more easily get back to your proper setting.